For this session, we're going to look into the bursting capabilities of ReportCaster. To create a bursted document, which means I'm going to send one document to multiple recipients depending on a value, I'm actually going to build my report first. So let's create a very simple report. Actually, I'm going to build a document to make it slightly more complex. Document is just a combination of multiple reports at the same time. So I'm going to go to my retail data, go to my retail data set. I'm going to build a very simple report in here. So I've got our first page. Actually, I'm going to build a document. Let's build a document. We're going to add a report. I'm going to add product category, product subcategory. We're going to add some measures, quantity sold, add revenue. And I'm going to filter that element actually based on my stores. I'm going to go for my store and I'm going to go for my store business region. Add store business region into the filter bucket. Set it to be a parameterized filters, put it to be dynamic. Keep it as it is. Got my first page. So got my report. I like that one. So I'm gonna copy it. Gonna add a new page in here. Paste that report on the same page. So identical report in here. Actually, I'm gonna change that one. So we're gonna keep the measures, but I'm gonna go for a different region. So I'm gonna go for customer, and I'm gonna go for customer, and I'm gonna go for customer country. And I'm gonna go for customer province. Let's remove those two fields. So actually, that's what we need. We got our store business region being the first field. So we can, of course, run that report. We got our list. We've got EMEA, Oceania, South and North America. Those 4 values are available in both reports. So I can run that one. Actually, I want to distribute an Excel report. So I'm going to go back to the home page. I don't want to use the interactive report format, even if that's going to work. I'm going to go for Excel. Important for that bursting, I have to change the format to the second Excel format in here. So simple and forward. So save it. That's my Excel folder. Save my element. And now I'm going to schedule that element. I'm going to keep it open here as a report. First thing we need is we need a distribution list. So we're going to go to schedule. We're going to go to distribution list. And we're going to create a new distribution list. In here, I need a burst value. I can use wildcards in here, regular expressions, or else. I'm going to use plain text now, which is going to be EMEA. And I'm going to send EMEA to Benutzer at going to add a new value. Going to use Oceania. No wildcard, plain text. Send that one to Patrick at informationbuilders.de. So, and I'm going to add a new one, which is going to be else, for example, and I'm going to use that one and send it to BI server at informationbuilders.de. Keep it, give it a title. That's going to be my regions. Keep it, save it. It's going to be regions. Save into that folder. So I've got my address book in here. So now we can schedule via email my report. Actually, the only thing I need to do in here that's specific, I have to go to tasks. Here's my task, and there's parameters. Remember, we have that parameter business region in both reports. And I can now tell the system I want to repeat that report for each selected value. So I want actually all of them, or I can keep South America removed from that list. So I'm picking the values I want to repeat it for. That's all I need in here. Okay, I got it. Burst is disabled now because it's active using that folder in here. Important thing, I have to change the distribution from a single email address to my distribution file. Oh, sorry, actually distribution list. I'm going to select my distribution list regions from in here. And that's all I need to do. I can save it. Excel folder, schedule, save it, just to be sure. So here's my schedule. I'm going to run my schedule. Run it, wait a little while, look into the log file, see the log file, still running, updating, already got an email. I'm going to see, hey, it was distributed, opening up my emails, sorted by date. You can see I'm getting my element. I'm checking for 2 emails. I'm checking for BI server, and I'm checking for Benutzer. So I'm getting 2 emails, then one in here sent to Benutzer containing Excel folder EMEA, which is the EMEA format. Excel folder got my emails sent to me. So I have those elements. Here's EMEA. I sent it twice actually because I was running it and saving it. So I get that element sent to myself, and it only contains EMEA data, whatever I suggest. Actually, to make it clearer, we can go back into that one, go back into my report. Actually, personally, I like it a little more. Go to the report. I've got my data in here. So actually, of course, store business region is something I can add to the report just to make it easier to read. So I know it's going to be EMEA, adding those elements to the report. Actually, click on that report. I got all the elements in my report. I'm going to repeat the sort value just to make Excel easier to read. Go back to the first page. Change this report as well. So changing, I'm going to add the store business region just to be consistent. Save it. Got it. Here's my schedule. I'm going to manually start a schedule because I don't want to wait for the schedule. Run it. Going to look into the log file. It started right now, 11:46. It's executed. 3 reports generated. I got the one that I scheduled, that I asked for. So there's my report. There's my Excel folder, EMEA. I'm just Benutzer getting that EMEA data. We can open it up. Got my data based on EMEA. Report 2 based on EMEA. Got all the data just for EMEA. That's actually it.